Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. While you want the art of smelling good to look like it comes effortlessly and I woke up like this kind of vibe, that is hardly the case. The thing is, mastering how to always smell good is easier said than done, and it certainly isn't as easy as spritzing on perfume and being done with it. Instead, you should be approaching it like your makeup or skincare routine, with layers of different products and steps that help you achieve the result you desire. After all, you smell good is the ultimate compliment, so it's likely a process you want to learn how to master. How do I stop smelling during the day? If you smell throughout the day, that's a pretty good indication that you're using the wrong deodorant. You could have an extensive shower and body routine and still smell throughout the day if your deodorant is lacking effectiveness. For starters, note that anti-perspirant and deodorant are two different things. One blocks sweat and the other blocks body odor. Make sure to use a deodorant because that will help to mix body odor or get a product that does both. Apply deodorant daily. Some people like to use it post-shower, while some prefer to apply it while they're getting dressed. Do what works best for you. Just make sure that you don't forget it. If you still find yourself smelling throughout the day, carry a travel-sized deodorant for easy touch-ups. There are also body deodorant wipes on the market that are good for on-the-go touch-ups. How to smell good all day long. 6 body care tips. Smelling good is a very deliberate thing. Here are 6 tips to help you master the art of smelling delicious. We have a feeling you'll be receiving compliments in no time. 1. Shower regularly. First and foremost, proper hygiene is a must to ensure you smell good. You wouldn't want to leave a buildup of impurities and oils lingering on your skin, not to mention the scent that comes with it, would you? It's similar to applying makeup on dirty skin. You know it's not going to look very good or last very long. Whether you're a fan of showers or baths, make sure to cleanse your skin from head to toe as part of your beauty routine. It's hard to smell good if your face isn't clean. 2. Choose your lotion carefully. Sure, perfume plays an important role in smelling good, more on that in a bit, but it isn't the only product that can give you a lasting scent. In fact, the best way to get your perfume to last all day is to layer scents, and that starts with your lotion. Start by smoothing on a scented lotion with similar notes to your perfume all over your body. If you don't have a scented lotion that matches your perfume, opt for an unscented formula. This will ensure there are no competing scents with your perfume. Whatever you decide on, know that fragrance lasts longer on hydrated skin, so along with adding moisture, applying lotion daily is a must for smelling good all day. 3. Be strategic about perfume placement. Rather than simply spritzing perfume on before heading out the door, you want to spray it strategically to ensure it lasts throughout the entire day. Apply it to your pulse points, the insides of your wrists, the neck, elbows, and the backs of your knees. Blood flows constantly in these areas, creating heat, which will allow your fragrance to continue to radiate throughout the day, so you'll smell good throughout the day. 4. Don't skip deodorant. Deodorant is the golden ticket to ensure you always smell good. Your perfume can only do so much if it's competing with the scent of lingering body odor. There's no need to be embarrassed. Most people work up a sweat throughout the day, and it's common to end up with a bit of odor, but luckily, that's what deodorant is for. Whether you opt for a regular or natural deodorant, the choice is up to you. But this is one step you don't want to skip, especially if you like to work out. 5. Refresh your hair. Just as your skin can acquire a buildup of dirt and oils that can cause odor, so can your hair. That's why it's important to keep your strands clean and refreshed. While you don't necessarily have to wash your hair every day, you can spritz your strands with a bit of dry shampoo to refresh your mane and give it a clean scent. Using a hair perfume that's specifically formulated to make hair smell good is important, as regular perfume is often formulated with alcohols that can be super drying on your hair. Instead, spritz a hair perfume onto your hairbrush and brush it through your strands to boost the overall smell. 6. Keep your clothes fresh. Your body isn't the only thing to consider when determining how to smell good all day. Your clothes factor in too. If you find yourself digging through dirty laundry you forgot to do last night for a half-decent pair of jeans, it happens, there's a pretty good chance they won't smell their best. Like your hair, you can spritz your clothes with perfume or fabric freshener to help give them a pleasant fragrance. When it's time to actually wash your clothes, look for detergents that have a scent you enjoy, as this will likely stick around once clean. That's it for this video. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye.